Hello everyone, welcome to EduSoft. So today in this session, we are going to start with a very new topic, that is getting familiar with the keyboard. So in this session, we are going to see all about keyboard, what is keyboard, what are the different keys that we use in keyboard. So the very first question that comes to our mind is this: what is keyboard? Keyboard क्या होता है? The keyboard is an input device that you can use to type commands or text into a computer. Different keyboards have different key layouts. Keyboard क्या है? Keyboard आपका एक input device है जिसे आप use करते हो to type commands or text into a computer. अगर आपको कंप्यूटर में कोई कमांड देना है, कोई टेक्स्ट टाइप करना है, तो आप किसका यूज करते हो? आप कीबोर्ड का यूज करते हो. सो कीबोर्ड इज अ इनपुट डिवाइस. डिफरेंट कीबोर्ड्स के डिफरेंट की लेआउट्स होते हैं. सो देयर आर मेनी टाइप ऑफ कीबोर्ड्स एंड डिफरेंट कीबोर्ड्स हैव डिफरेंट की लेआउट्स. नाउ कमिंग टू दिस सेशन, व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू सी इन दिस सेशन, we are going to learn about alphabet keys, number keys, space bar keys, enter key, caps lock key, and delete key, and arrow keys. So these are different keys which we are going to cover in this part. So let's start this session. Now coming to very first one, getting familiar with the keyboard. So before starting on this slide, what we have to do, let's see about keyboard. एक बार हम कीबोर्ड का इमेज देख लेते हैं. So this is your keyboard. Here, these are alphabets. These are numbers over here. You have some keys over here. That is F1 to F12. You have escape key. You have tab key over here. This is caps lock key. You have control key. This is alt key. And here you also have control key. These are arrow keys. Arrow up, down, right and left. You have delete key, home key, page up, page down key. You have pause, break key over here. You have scroll key. You have num lock key over here. So here, this is your enter key. So this is the layout of a keyboard. Now, let's start on this session. Keys labeled from F1 to F12 are function keys. जो कीज आपकी F1 से F12 के बीच में होती हैं, उनको फंक्शन कीज बोलते हैं. They are used to perform specific functions that differ from the program to program, such as F1 key is mostly used with the help file associated with a program. So, जो कीज आपकी F1 से F12 के बीच में होते हैं, इनको फंक्शन कीज बोलते हैं और इन कीज के एक स्पेसिफिक फंक्शंस होते हैं. Keys such as control key, shift key, space bar key, alt key, caps lock key, and tab key. These keys are known as special keys. The special keys perform special functions depending on where they are used. जो कीज आपकी कंट्रोल की होती है, शिफ्ट की हो गई, स्पेस बार की, ऑल्ट की, कैप्स लॉक की एंड टैब की, इन कीज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ये स्पेशल कीज होती हैं. And they are also used to perform some special function. Keyboards also contain a window key or OS key between the control key and the alt key. This is used to open the start menu or in combination with other keys. हमारे कीबोर्ड में एक विंडो की भी होती है और we can say OS की भी होती है. And what is the function of this window key? This window key is used to open the start menu. So what we have seen till now, we have seen what are function keys, what are special keys, and what is window key. Now coming to next slide. There are keys which are used for entering letters and numbers. कुछ कीज आपके कीबोर्ड में होती हैं जिनका यूज होता है अगर आपको कोई लेटर को एंटर करना है, कोई अल्फाबेट एंटर करना है या कोई नंबर को एंटर करना है. Now coming to next one, that are punctuation keys. Punctuation keys include keys from punctuation marks such as colon, semicolon, and question mark, single quotation mark, and double quotation mark. So there are punctuation keys in our keyboard also. The labeled on enter key can be either enter or return, depending on the brand of computer that you are using. You use the enter or the return key to move the cursor to the beginning of a new line. In some programs, it is used to send commands and to confirm a task on a computer. So in computer, we also have enter key or return key. So what is the function of this enter key? In some programs, enter key is also used to send commands. So these are the different keys. What we have seen function keys, special keys, window key, punctuation keys, or return or enter key. Keys such as insert, delete, and backspace are command keys. So in keyboard, we have command keys also. So what are command keys? Keys like insert key is a command key, delete key is also a command key, and backspace keys are also a command key. So these keys are used to give some command. तो इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इनको command keys बोलते हैं. When the insert key is turned on, it helps you override characters to the right of the cursor. When the insert key is off, it helps you to enter text or character to the right of a cursor without overwriting this text or characters. The delete key and the backspace key are used to remove typed text, characters, and other objects on the right and left side of the cursor, respectively. Keys such as arrow key, home key, end key, page up key, page down key. These are called as navigation keys. So what are navigation keys? Like we have arrow keys, home key, end key, page up and page down key. These keys are known as navigation keys. You use the arrow key to move the cursor up, down, right and left. The home key moves the cursor to the left end of a line of the text. अगर आपको अपने टेक्स्ट में जो आपकी टेक्स्ट है उसकी जो लाइन होती है टेक्स्ट में अगर उसके लेफ्ट एंड पे अपना कर्सर लेके आना है तो आप होम की का यूज करते हो. द एंड की मूव्स द कर्सर टू द एंड ऑफ अ लाइन. आपकी कोई लाइन है टेक्स्ट में, अगर उसको आपको कोई कर्सर है, अगर उसको उस लाइन के एंड में लेके आना है तो आप एंड की का यूज करते हो. The page up key is used to move one page up and the page down key is used to move one page down while viewing the document. Numeric keypad, if available, is a separate set of keys with numbers from 0 to 9, the decimal point, special characters, and the navigation symbols. The numlock key on this keypad allows you to switch between numeric and the navigation keys. So we have different kind of keys over here. What we have seen what are command keys, what is the function of a delete key and a backspace key, what are navigation keys, and what is numeric keypad. And numeric keypad have both keys, that are numeric keys and the navigation keys. Now coming to next slide, this is your keyboard. Here you can find character keys, modifier keys, enter and editing keys. These are enter keys, these are editing keys, system and GUI keys. So you have system keys and GUI keys over here. Navigation keys, you can find navigation keys over here. These are arrow keys. You have home and page up, page down keys. This is numeric keypad. So this is your numeric keypad. यहाँ पे जो numbers होते हैं वो 0 से लेके 9 तक numbers होते हैं. You have function keys over here. So these are your function keys. F1 से लेके F12 आपके पास function key होती है. And the last one, that is lock key. So you have nums lock key over here, caps lock key over here. So these are different keys on a keyboard. Now coming to next part. Now we are going to see what is alphabet or letter key. So alphabet keys and letter keys क्या होती है? We are going to see over here. The keys which have letters and alphabets printed on them are called alphabet keys. वो कीज जहाँ पे लेटर्स आपको दिखते हैं या कोई अल्फाबेट दिखते हैं तो उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? उनको अल्फाबेट कीज बोलते हैं. They are used for typing letters, words and sentences. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. आपके कीबोर्ड में कितनी अल्फाबेट कीज होती हैं? 26. क्योंकि 26 अल्फाबेट्स होते हैं तो हमारे पास कितनी अल्फाबेट कीज होंगी? We have 26 alphabet keys over here. Now coming to next part, that is number keys. So now we are going to see what are number keys. The keyboard also has number keys 0 to 9. तो हमारी number keys कहाँ से कहाँ तक होती हैं? 0 से 9 तक होती हैं. These are also called numeric keys. Number keys को हम numeric keys भी बोलते हैं. There are total 10 number keys on the keyboard. हमारे पास total कितनी number keys होती हैं? 10 number keys होती हैं 0 to 9. These keys are used for typing numbers. और ये क्यों use होते हैं? For typing some numbers. So we have seen till now alphabet keys क्या होती हैं and number keys क्या होते हैं. Now coming to next part, that is space bar key. The space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. आपके कीबोर्ड की सबसे longest की कौन सी होती है? स्पेस बार की होती है. You can use this key to give a small space between two words or letters. अगर आपको दो words या letters के बीच में कोई small space देना हो, तो आप किसका यूज करते हो? आप स्पेस बार की का यूज करते हो. Coming to next one, that is enter key. This key helps us to start a new line or a new paragraph while typing. There may be two enter keys on the keyboard, one with numeric keypad. The caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. अगर हमें कोई भी letters capital form में type करना है, तो हम कौन सी की का यूज करते हैं? हम caps lock की यूज करते हैं. Pressing this key will switch on off the caps lock light. Now coming to next part, delete key and backspace key. Now we are going to see what is delete key and what is backspace key. Sometimes we make mistakes while typing on the computer. To erase these mistakes, we can use the following key. Number first is delete key. Delete key erases anything typed to the right of the cursor. आपके कर्सर के राइट में जितना भी सेंटेंस टाइप होगा या कुछ भी आपका अल्फाबेट नंबर टाइप होगा, so delete key is used to erase that thing. Number second is backspace key. Backspace key erases anything typed to the left of the cursor. आपके कर्सर के लेफ्ट में जो भी सेंटेंस टाइप होगा, backspace key is used to erase that thing. So delete key erases anything that is written to the right of the cursor, and backspace key is used to erase anything that is written to the left of the cursor. Now coming to the next one, that is arrow keys. Now we are going to understand what are arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor left, right, up or down on the computer screen. It shows the position where a letter, number or symbol can be typed. So arrow key का क्यों यूज होता है? जो आपका कर्सर है उसको लेफ्ट, राइट, अप या डाउन मूव करने के लिए हम arrow key का यूज करते हैं. So there are 4 types of arrow keys. Number 1 is up arrow key. It moves the cursor up. Number 2 is down arrow key. It moves the cursor down. Number 3 is right arrow key. It moves the cursor to the right. And number last is left arrow key. It moves the cursor to the left. So we have seen different arrow keys. There are 4 types of arrow keys: up arrow key, down arrow key, right arrow key, and left arrow key. Arrow key is used to move the cursor to the left, right, up and down on the computer screen. So till now, what we have seen? We have seen what are arrow keys, delete key and backspace key, caps lock key, enter key, space bar key, number key, alphabet or letter key. So there are total 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard and there are total 10 number keys on the keyboard. So this is your keyboard. Let's see once again. These are your alphabet keys. These are your function keys from F1 to F12. These are your number keys. Here you find your number keys, that is from 0 to 9. This is known as numeric keypad. Here this is your nums lock. Here this is pause and break. Here these are arrow keys, arrow up, down, left and right. You have page up, page down, home and end key. You have insert and delete key over here. You have control key, you have alt key, you have shift key, you have caps lock key over here, you have tab key over here, and this is your escape key. So there are total 26 alphabet keys over here. There are total 10 number keys over here. So this is all about today's session. If you have any doubt in this session, you can ask me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.